is there is a tap, and from that tap, water drops are falling down at equal intervals. It has to be equal interval, right? Then when the third drop is on the nozzle of this particular tap, the first one has already reached the ground. They're asking what will be the distance of this second drop from the ground. Okay, now there are different ways you can use equations of motion and solve it and make it more complicated. Let me just give you a very simple trick, and this trick is based on our first lecture, right? Initially I have explained you how I got that, okay, in that particular lecture, so you can watch it how I got this. Let me just remind you from that lecture that this gap is nothing but distance s. This will be any distance s. The gap between first and second and third drop is s. The gap between second and the first drop will be 3s. So what if instead of 3 drops, if they were giving us 4 drops, then the gap between third and the second, you go in the opposite order, right? This is your third, this is your second, this is your first. Okay, so when there will be one more drop, it will be first, second, third, fourth. So gap between this one and the next one will be how much? If you remember the previous lecture, 5s, right? It will be 5s if you have watched the previous lecture. Great. So this gap is s, this gap is 3s. What should be this